Chulada! I started making fish tacos tonight, and then I wonder, can $20 frozen fish beat $46 fresh fish and also beat $20 fresh local mullet? Mullet is a childhood favorite of me. Let's find out. How crunchy is this skin? Hello amigos, Mucho is back, and tonight we're having fish tacos made with Barramundi. Let's make the garnish. Let's start by making a quick pickled radish. When radish give you wheels, you drive. Lime juice and salt are used to quick pickle this radish. Mix it to bring all those flavors together. Let's make pico de gallo. Chop coriander. Chop onion. My chopping skills are pure toddler energy. Chaotic, enthusiastic, but zero precision. Hey, where did the onion go? Who knows? But chop tomato, take the hearts out, and chop it in little squares. Ah, that's where the onion went. Who cares? There's always lime juice in Mexican food, and we love it. Use a 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Crack some black pepper. Mix and ready. Slice purple cabbage because we're gonna make Baja-style pico cabbage because your fish taco deserves respect. After washing it, put a pinch of Mexican oregano, pinch of salt. Juice of 1 lime is also added, and a teaspoon of white vinegar. Well, maybe we have 2. Mix it. Ready. I hope you have a lime tree because you're gonna need more for the tacos. And lastly, we have a red chili. So many colors and flavors! For the salsa, roast half green capsicum and 2 jalapeños while we prepare the fish. Fresh versus frozen. Let's see which one delivers crispy skin glory. Let's go. While the chilies get roasted for the salsa, we will prepare our barramundi. And we're going to use these parts for a soup. Chulada! Yum. We're going to cut them in half to make taco-sized pieces. This is the fresh barramundi. The frozen barramundi comes individually packed. And again, we remove these bits to make a soup. Chulada! If I bring back a piece of fresh barramundi and a frozen barramundi, and the flesh looks a little bit brighter than this one, the frozen one looks slightly pale compared to the fresh one. In addition to barramundi, I also bought mullet fillet or lisa. Mucho grew up in Mexico eating this type of fish. It's time to go back and remember those days. Fresh barramundi from the frozen ale, and the mullet fillet. There are differences in prices, yes. Fresh barramundi, $46 a kilo. Frozen barramundi, $20 a kilo. Fresh local mullet, $20 a kilo. Use whatever fits your budget. However, they are all delicious. Awesome protein for your table. My decision to deep fry or shallow fry something depends on the amount of comfort that I want to receive back from the food. And today, I'm gonna be generous. This is canola oil, frozen barramundi in this side, fresh barramundi in this side, the mullet in this side. The jalapeños and the capsicum are properly roasted. Today we're using the old school blender to make the sauce. I'm gonna start by adding 1 garlic clove and a pinch of coarse salt or rock salt. All that sizzling in the background is the fish getting fried. This is what happened here. Now we bring one of our roasted chiles. Ya se me cansó la derecha. Ahora sigo con la izquierda. Look at this beauty. Oh, delicious. Another piece. How did my grandma do this? Another piece of capsicum. Nice, 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 nice. To finish the salsa, we add some water. Almolcajete salsa with chunks of green roasted capsicum inside. Delicious, delicious. Let's get the fish out of the frying pan. Here we have our fish. Fresh barramundi from the frozen section, and this is the mullet. It appears that the frozen barra seem to release more water, but the protein and the omega-3s are still there. Let's find out if the skin is crispy. Fresh barramundi skin, frozen barramundi skin, local fresh mullet skin. The skin of both barramundi was crunchier than mullet. However, the high protein and omega-3s are still there. All three fish are excellent nutritional choice. This is the sound of underwater happiness. You know, an interesting fact about barramundi is that they are cannibals when they are little. Let's go and put the tacos together. We assemble the tacos. Little bit of pico de gallo. Then we add some of this delicious radish. And on top of that, we put our fish. This is the fresh barramundi. This is the barramundi from the frozen aisle. And this is the mullet. I will cut it in half so it fits better in the plate. To complete the memories of my childhood, the one with mullet. My abuelita used to make this for me. Hasta el cielo, abuelita. It's going to have this chili sauce. I almost forgot chilies. Here we have a delicious fish tacos. But how crispy the skin is. Let's see. How crunchy is this skin? Crunchy. Amigos, enjoy your tacos and remember that all three fish contains high protein and omega-3s.